Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage. A quick walk around video of our 2014 Jeep Wrangler. So let's get started. 70,000 miles currently on the vehicle. Kind of your basic model. Got roll up windows, but it does have cruise control, AC. It is the 6-speed manual, obviously 4-wheel drive. Radio with a CD player. This one has the soft top, and it is the 4-door model. Got some nice upgrades, aftermarket upgrades, Black Rhino, alloy wheels, Nitto tires. Still has decent tread. Obviously running boards. It's a little dirty from sitting outside, but the paint's actually in really nice shape. Cleans up nice. Full-size spare. Does have a tow package with hookup. Got some aftermarket shocks on there. There's the rear end on it. Body's straight, soft top, no tears. Has the Chrysler 3.6 engine. Front fog lights. Show you the inside. Black cloth interior's in good shape. No cracks on the dash. Rear seats are in good shape as well. This Jeep's very clean considering the age. A lot of their Jeeps are going to get kind of beat up on the inside, but this one's still in nice shape. So you can call or text us at 760-280-7648 or visit ibuycleancars.com. We do take trades. Financing is available for all types of credit. You can check out our excellent Yelp reviews from customers, and there's a warranty included as well. So we look forward to hearing from you.